In this video, we will be replacing the battery from a 2003 Toyota Corolla key fob. This is a very popular key design with various similar yet Toyota models. The tools that are needed for this task are a regular size flathead screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. We will also need a CR2032 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to open the outer case. Just put the screwdriver in this slot and gently twist it. Slowly pry open the case. Using the small screwdriver, push out the battery. Next, we put a fresh battery. The positive side of the battery is on top. Now put the two halves of the outer case together and gently squeeze them in place. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.